Hey guys, welcome to Mathstoon. In this video, we will learn to find the square root of 0.64. To know more about square roots, you can visit mathstoon.com or please check the link given in the description box. Now let's start. Firstly, we will express this decimal number as a fraction. Doing so, we get 0.64 is equal to 64 by 100. Now we will take square root on the both sides and hence we get square root of 0.64 is equal to square root of 64 by 100. Now we will rewrite this expression as root over 64 by root over 100 using the rule of root over a by b is equal to root over a by root over b. Here a is 64 and b is 100. Now as root over 64 is equal to 8 and root over 100 is equal to 10, so we get this equal to 8 by 10. Now if we express this fraction as a decimal number, we get 0.8. So finally we get square root of 0.64 is equal to 0.8 and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave a comment in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos earlier.